What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy While Free. Today I'm reviewing the XT Max shoe from Xero Shoes. Now, Xero Shoes is a longtime player. I think the first and probably original barefoot minimalist shoe company that makes barefoot minimalist shoes that aren't those wiggly toe ones, which I don't really like. That was the first pair of barefoot shoes that I wore. And the reason I'm reviewing these shoes today is because the shoes that you wear directly impact your posture. And what I like about the Xero Shoes brand is that over the years, I've tried the 3 big barefoot minimalist shoe brands. And when I landed on the Xero shoe, I just recognized that there's something a little bit different about Xero Shoes compared to the other shoe brands. And the way I wore them, the way my feet fell, the way my ankles felt, and just the way my body moved biomechanically when I walked or ran. And you know, the XT Max recently came out. This is a barefoot minimalist training shoe. And the first thing you should know about these shoes is that the toe box here, this is the front where your toes go, it's going to be wider like this. So think Tarzan feet, where the wider your toes, the more balance, agility, and mobility you have, and the better you can navigate, in terms of movement, left to right movement patterns, and even forward, backward. Because the further apart your toes are, the more those toes develop muscles to actually grip the ground and to have agility, flexibility, and strength in moving in lateral direction or bilateral direction. So that wide toe box is really important because I have found personally that most barefoot minimalist shoe companies, the toe box isn't as well designed as the Xero Shoes toe box. And the Xero Shoes toe box, it's not only wider, but it's sort of this like circular wide that really just mimics your own feet, your own toes, which I really like. And then the second thing you should know about Xero Shoes is that it's a flat sole. So it doesn't elevate your heel, because when you elevate your heel, it kicks your knee forward, because that thing about your heel going up, and then like if you just stand there and put your heel up, your knee naturally goes forward, and you don't want that. So what I love about these shoes, I would say there's actually things that I like and don't like. So I'll just be very frank and very honest with you in regards to what I like and don't like. And the reason, once again, I'm reviewing these is because shoes correlate to posture. Posture relates to circulation and lymphatic health and just health overall. So what I like about these shoes is the wide toe box, the flat minimalist design, the breathable material within the shoe, and then the laces, which are, you just pull them and they have this little plastic thing and it tightens there. So it's just, you don't have to tie them. You just pull and tighten, which I really like, and it just tucks right in under this little plastic, like little not Velcro, but little thing there, little ridge, let's call it. So I really like that. And then the lip here is really thin, which I like. And then even the design of that lip into the shoe itself, it really gets your foot snug in there. Some shoes don't have the best lip. This lip, and I mean, you can kind of see it there. Your foot just snug fits in there, and it really hugs around your ankle so that it creates a barefoot minimalist flow. So that's what I like about these. The barefoot mimicking no heel elevation, wide toe box, and then the breathable design. But I would say the best aspect of these shoes is the grip, okay? There's something on the side that says Feel True Max. You can see it right there, Feel True Max. And I don't know what that is, but when I put these shoes on and I started walking, I felt like I had Gorilla Glue at the bottom of my feet. I was absolutely appalled. Absolutely incredible. And I kid you not, I took the shoes off and I looked at the design pattern at the bottom, because I'm like, how is the grip so good? I've never had shoes in my entire life that has had grip this good. What I like about that is you're less likely to fall and you're more likely to stay on your feet, which is what you want, obviously, in a pair of shoes. So I noticed the back has these like kind of like squares, and then there's these like hollow squares, and then there's these X's, and then there's these like triangle things. Like the design pattern is, I don't know where they got this, but I hope they patented it, because I think this is going to be on every pair of shoes in the entire world one day. I'm not even kidding when I say that. My first retail job was in a shoe store, and I've worn a lot of different brands of a lot of shoes, both expensive and cheap, and everything in between over the years, playing basketball, football, soccer, hockey. I mean, I've worn a lot of different footwear and interesting, all types of stuff. I've never had shoes with traction this good. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. So I really like that. I will say, I love everything. I'll say the one downside, and I think it's because the shoes are new, is that the bend here, it feels like it's a little bit like, maybe it's just this like tougher material on the outside, but that bend, it seems like there's a little bit, it's a little bit of a weird bend. I think the shoes just need to be broken in, frankly, because I've had multiple pairs of Xero shoes, and these are brand new, and I've only worn them like about a month maybe. So I think they just need to be broken in. I think that's honestly it. But it could also be like the little outside, this darker blue keeps it a little tighter in there, which I'm not a huge fan of that, but I think that will break in. But honestly, the grip alone on these shoes, you cannot lose. And I'll say this, you know, when I go to the gym, I see the powerlifters, people squatting and benching, or excuse me, squatting and powerlifting, well, benching too, but squatting and deadlifting, ridiculous amounts of weight. They're all wearing barefoot minimalist shoes with a wider toe box and a flat sole. And that's because your posture, you don't want to put your body into a position when you're lifting weights to have an elevated heel and your toes constricted. It doesn't make any sense. So that's a really good reason to like Xero shoes. It's going to help align your posture, and they're absolutely exceptional. I recommend them very, very much. Honestly, like I said, worn brands, the three big shoe brands from Barefoot Minimalist Shoes, the Lems, Vivos, and Xeros. Honestly, Xero shoes are the best. They fit the best, they move the best. They're just the best. They wear the best, they run the best. Oh, and another thing I like about Xero shoes, they have, I think it's a 5,000 mile warranty on the brand. So they literally give you a warranty on your shoes and wearing them out, which no other brand does. So I'm gonna show you real quick. I also have this shoe from Xero Shoes. I don't know which one this is, but this one has a soft fabric in the front that bends really well. And I really like that. I actually love, like I wore these today to the gym for doing lunges because they have this like Velcro strap, and then you can also tie them, which I like too. So I love the versatility of how to, you know, tighten the different shoes they have. And then that like bend is really nice. And then I also have these. I don't know what these are. These are just like their like white walking shoes. These are their Nexus knit. Oh, and that last one, okay, that one was like, you could look on their site. But anyways, these are just awesome walking shoes. They're super casual, breathable, just plain white shoes. And then years ago, these are like 8 years old, and they're honestly not even that worn out. They're a little worn there in the front there. I could probably throw these out, to be honest, or just, you know, wear them in the garden kind of thing. But this is their original Prio, super breathable, super bendable. You know, they have the Prios on their site. Those are amazing as well. And then they also have these, which are their Pagosa. I believe these are the Pagosa. So you could put this down, or put that up and put your full foot in there, or literally step on it like a slipper, which is what I do. I just use these to get the mail. But they're like super soft. I mean, they're flexible as all get out. And these are just like get the mail shoes, walk around the neighborhood, walk around outside, casual, very, very comfortable. I mean, it's like you're barefoot. So yeah, I love this brand. I mean, as you can see, I have 6 pairs of shoes. Oh, I also have their sandals, which are not in this video, but I really like Xero shoes. And the reason for that, once again, is because they're the most true to comfort, true to form, barefoot mimicking shoes. Wide toe box, think Tarzan feet instead of ballet feet that are crunched up where you go like this. Tarzan feet help you move this way. Ballet feet help you move this way. Okay, you want to be able to move this way as you age. And then the flat heel, not an elevated heel, keeps you grounded, and it allows you to ensure that you don't have bad knee posture, which is actually the reason I got into barefoot minimalist shoes in the first place. I had knee pain when I was 19 years old. Super young, I had knee pain, and that's what led me to barefoot minimalist shoes, and eventually Xero Shoes, which I believe is the best brand out there. So I will link them up below for if you do, like if you're bodybuilding, weightlifting, powerlifting, running, squatting. Like if you're lifting weights, you should not be in Nikes, Adidas, New Balance, none of these. You should be wearing Xero shoes, in my personal opinion, because they are the best barefoot mimicking shoes out there. And that XT Max has exceptional grip, and I just love that. So it's my favorite shoe company. It's really the only shoes I buy and wear now, and I'm looking forward to the new design. So I'll link them up below. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and he's running a discount on more than 30 different healthy wellness brands. Check out healthywildfree.com/shop below. And that'll give you discounts on more than 30 different brands that I vetted as a health and wellness coach. And make sure to subscribe, leave your comments and questions below. Happy to answer them, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.